Today marked our annual walkathon day. It's a day that we raise funds to train communities across the country. And if you have seen, it was an impressive day today. We have had over 3,500 participants in this year. Last year, the funds we raised, we were able to train 2,000 community members. This year, we are targeting up to 5,000 community members. I want to thank the members of the public, schools, corporates, some of our partners and stakeholders who have come today to support us. We are really very grateful that we are able to live our goal and our dream of St. John, of one first aider for every home. This is a commitment that we have done in St. John, and we are going to make sure we walk the talk. We want to thank the government for the recent introduction of the community health promoters. These are people who are going to be very key for us, even as we implement the one first aider, one per household within the country. The other people we are targeting are the school drivers. All the schools, especially those who have St. John and those even do not have St. John, we want to make sure we train them on first aid. We had our first discussion in Nairobi 2 months ago. We are going to scale that up countrywide. For us to be able to train, especially our target of 5,000 this year, we need a minimum of 15 million Kenya shillings. That is our target for this year, and I want our partners to know, those people want to come and support. Today is not the end of our collection of the support. From tomorrow, today, tomorrow, in the course of the year, feel free to bring that support to St. John, and we'll be able to train the communities.